Getting ready for a holiday is exciting, but it can be messy. Passport? Check. Sunscreen? Check.
Sarah, I think I need your help.
Hurry up, Tom. The taxi is waiting. The journey to the airport usually takes 30 minutes.
We made it. Look at all those planes.
The airport is very busy today. There's our flight, Flight 808. It is on time. Good morning. Passports, please. Here you go.
Bye-bye, bag. See you on the other side.
Please step through the scanner.
Now we must go through security. Remember to empty your
Have
pockets.
your boarding pass ready for the agent ahead.
Sir, do you have any coins? Oops, sorry. Just my house keys.
My house keys.
We have 20 minutes before boarding. Want to look at the shops?
I'm getting hungry. Maybe some snacks for the plane? Flight 808 is now boarding at Gate 12.
Walking down the jet bridge is always exciting. Can I help you with that bag, miss? Safety first. Fasten your seatbelt.
Here we go. Take off.
Look at the view. We're above the clouds. Chicken or beef for lunch today?
Ma? I will take the
I will take the chicken, please.
chicken, please.
This magazine has great travel tips. It is a long flight, but the sunset is beautiful.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing.
Touchdown! Welcome to the tropical island.
My legs are stiff. I need to stretch. Welcome. Enjoy your stay.
I see my red bag. Grab it, Tom.
Oof, what did you pack in here? Rocks?
Smell that fresh ocean air. Taxi!
Where to, folks? Paradise Hotel? Yes, please. Wow, look at that water. The GPS says we will be there in 15 minutes.
We have to visit that market later.
Here we are, Paradise Resort. Let me take your bags to the lobby.
This place is beautiful. Hi, we have a reservation. Sarah Jenkins. Room 502. Enjoy your stay. Going up to the 5th floor.
It's like a maze in here.
Oh, wow. Look at the light.
This bed is so soft.
Tom, come look at the balcony. Look at that view. This is the ocean view we paid for. Let's check the bathroom amenities. Towels, soap, shampoo.
Oh, a minibar. Look at these snacks.
Don't touch them, Tom. They're very expensive.
Okay, maybe we can buy snacks at the supermarket later.
Unpacking helps you feel settled. It's hot. Let's turn on the AC. Let's go to the pool before dinner.
Do I have too much sunscreen on?
The hotel pool is stunning. This is the life. So relaxing. Tom, you got me wet.
Would you like a fresh coconut or a fruit smoothie? One fresh coconut, please.
As the sun sets, the air gets cooler. It's getting a bit chilly. Let's go change for dinner. Nighttime at the resort is magical. Ready for the night market?
Have a pleasant evening. Shall we take a tuk-tuk? It looks fun.
Woohoo! This is fast. Welcome to the famous night market.
It's amazing!
Stay close, Tom. It's very crowded.
Look at these souvenirs.
Maybe we can buy gifts from Mom and Dad here.
I smell food. Follow your nose.
The seafood here is very fresh. I don't recognize some of these dishes.
Let's try the pad thai noodles. One pad thai coming right up.
Peanuts, bean sprouts, and a squeeze of lime. Thank you. It smells delicious.
Oops, chopsticks are hard to use.
You can use a fork, you know.
I need something to drink. Mango shake.
Here is your sweet mango shake.
The sun goes down.
Ouch, brain freeze. Drink slowly.
He is very talented. This will remind me of this trip.
I love street food. cheap and tasty.
Let's remember, noodles, chopsticks, grill. I am so full, I can't eat another bite.
Best dinner ever.
Welcome back. Did you enjoy the market? Yes, it was wonderful.
Good night, Sarah. Wake me up for breakfast.
Good morning. It is a brand new day. What a beautiful morning.
5 more minutes, please.
Wake up, Tom. The buffet closes in an hour.
Please.
Nothing beats hotel breakfast toast.
Bacon, eggs, sausages. I want it all.
I just need my coffee.
This bacon is so crispy.
Crispy bacon, hot coffee. Useful breakfast words. Let's take a walk before we pack.
Look at this shell. It's spiral.
I haven't built a sandcastle since I was a kid.
Watch out for the crab. It's pinching.
I don't want to leave. It's so peaceful here.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Checkout time is 12 o'clock. It's 11:30.
Hurry! Did you check under the bed?
Found my lucky sock.
How was your stay? It was perfect. Here is my card.
Safe travels. Come back soon. Goodbye, Paradise Hotel.
They made so many memories. Back to reality.
Look at this photo of you eating the spicy chicken. Haha.
Delete that one, Tom. It's embarrassing. I'm already planning our next trip.
Where to next? Mountains, snow?
Maybe. We'll see. Thanks for watching ABC Learning English. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Great work today. Keep going. Every lesson helps you improve your English. I'm excited to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep learning and see you again soon.